Okay, so now you see that I have this traced on all 12 squares. Now I need to trace it on the rest of the 5 squares. So if you look at this, you can see where I've traced it on each 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got one more to do. So you've got to make sure that you line it up as precisely as you can, because any wobble or wiggle is going to show up when you try to put this together. So once you have all 5 of these traced as well, we will start cutting and pasting our positive and negative space together. Okay, so that is all 5 of them are traced. You can see on here. Now, I'm going to take, this is how this is going to work. So I've already got my master copy, okay? I mean, master one that I traced. This is going to be glued down right here. Don't glue it yet. Then where this was, you're going to flip it. You're going to put it right here. You're not going to flip it. You're just going to put it right here in the next one. Then you see where this was, that's going to go right here. Then you see where this was, that's going to go right here. And then you see where this was. So you would glue that down as you go. Okay? So I will show you how much glue to use. I'm going to turn it over. I'm just going to put a little. You don't want a lot of glue, okay? Because if you do, it's going to get wet and nasty looking. All right, so just put just about that much, okay? You don't want it sopping wet with glue. So then you're going to take it and very gently lay it down into place, because you've got the pencil drawing there for you. Okay? And you can slide it to where it should be. All right. Then you take these little pieces, do the same thing. I'm going to glue this down. Glue this one down. Lay it where it goes within the pencil lines. See, you only want to cut one square at a time and then glue it down. Then cut the next square and glue it down, because you don't want a bunch of tiny pieces to have to look at to figure out where they go when you're putting this together. We'll clean up the pencil lines later after it's all dry. One more piece. Lay this down. So you've got this big piece right here that's glued down, and then you have the small pieces. Then you're going to put the big piece and the small piece. Okay? So the next piece, you're going to cut on the pencil lines. You have to cut on the line or it's not going to line up properly. It's kind of hard to see this on top of this blue paper, especially with my old eyes. Do it as neatly as possible. You want to make sure you see the pencil line to be able to cut exactly on the line as you can get, as precisely on the line as you can. All right, I got that piece cut. Don't throw anything away. You need all the pieces. I'm cutting on the line on my trace lines. You want to do it as neatly as possible. Turn it. Okay. Oh, there's one little piece that I will need that I did not trace. So what I'll do is go in and cut this piece and trace it. I inevitably can mess up too. All right, so this piece is gonna go here, but I need to make sure that I have it in the right place. On here. So what I would do is just take this, line it up right here, and fix my mistake. Alright, so I'm going to put that back over here with this little piece so I don't lose it, and cut this one out. So that's a case where I did not trace the whole thing, the whole master big piece. So you have to go back and make do and adjust as you need to. Okay, so this piece is going to go here. Nope, yep. This piece will go here because remember we have big piece, small pieces. And then let's see. And then this piece will go here. And then this piece will go here. And this piece will go here. And then this piece will go there. Okay? And this will look much better once it's glued down. But I'm not going to make you watch me glue everything down. So when you start the next line, so this goes big piece, small piece, big piece, small pieces. This one is going to be, see that's big, we want small. So it's like a checkerboard. Small pieces, big piece, small pieces, big piece. I'll come back at the end when it's all done.